is Wednesday, June 18, 2025. We are in the house of Kevin Ware, and the address is 8501 Church Hill Court in Upper Marlboro, Maryland 20772, and the claim number is 07933313917. It's Allstate, and today we are here to show you guys it's impossible to do a repair in this shingle without damaging the other shingles around it. This is the tarp, the one we placed to cover the holes that damage creates when the trees fall off on the house, and we're gonna remove that. As you see on the estimate, we just approved 15 shingles, but that is impossible. Then also we did this emergency repair, and if you see it, it will have a lot of nails on it, and it's a more damaged shingle on it. And I'm just gonna show you guys today the hole and why it's possible to do the repair.
De medio.
Okay.
Solo uno remueva. Solo uno para enseñar primero ahí.
Okay, this is the hole, the one we covered. That's the one. And if you see the felt
We got it more for.
damage,
We got it more for. Bro.
and we'll remove this one. Okay, and remember, this one, the plywood, it's damaged. I gotta replace the plywood on this one, and it's a clip goes where is the plywood attached to the another one, and I need to remove the plywood. To remove the plywood, I can't just remove one plywood. I need to remove the entire plywood on this section right here. And that's right, like I say, this plywood, due to the building codes, the IRC 2018, adopted to Prince George County, we have to use the clips, 8 clips each plywood, and then if we remove this plywood right here, one plywood, we need to pull the permits on the Prince George County. If we just and we need to, if we need to pull the permit, we need to get the structural engineer on this one, And also I'm gonna send you everything, guys, before we're doing that, because you know if the plywood has a horn on it, and then it needs to do that. Everything gotta be under the code. You see the hole, but right now today I'm gonna do the repair. I'm not gonna do it right here. I'm gonna do it right here. So you can see, guys, that it's not possible to repair a shingle. Okay, why? Because this shingle is a brand new shingle and it's a real seal. And if you've seen it, I'm gonna try to remove one shingle today, not this one, but I'm gonna do this one. Okay. And if you see this shingle, it's really tight, and if you
Don't do it.
and if
Only
you
look good, don't do it.
and if you see it, you see how the shingle gets damaged, the other one. And if I'm still doing it, I'm gonna damage this shingle, and I'm gonna damage all of those shingles. And then also, you see, it start delaminated. It's start delaminated. And if I'm still doing it, I'm gonna start damage all of those shingles. You see, this shingle, you see, it's a really brand new shingle, and it gets damaged when I'm trying to fix it. Okay, it's not because we don't want to damage it's because we want to damage the shingle. It's not. We're trying to do it carefully, carefully. And my suggestion on this roof is a full replacement. It's because, you know, we're gonna damage more shingles, and instead of fixing it. Okay, it's a full replacement, and all of this one and these shingles, if you see this right here, and also it's not only this slope, it's gonna be this slope too, because this shingle is attached to this one. If we remove this slope, this slope is attached to this one, because the ridge band and the ridge cap, the nails goes through this one. And then if you see in it, it's a lot of holes right here. It's gonna be, and then this side is gonna be damaged. And also, if you see where we tarp it up, it's a nails goes right here, and then this side is already damaged. So that's why we need to replace the entire roof. And also, it's not only that, the plywood also. Okay.
We got a more hole right there too.
And then also all of the nails right there. And then it's impossible to do the repair on this roof. And also we have another hole right here. Okay, thank you, and thank you, and a second. And then if you will see right here too, it's if you remove it, it's tight with the bally. Needs to replace it the entire. And then also with the flat roof, the three fall off into that. You have the picture. That one is not included on the estimate, but we tarp it up everything. But we want to include that one because it's a hole right there in the middle. It's impossible to do the repair on a flat roof. Why? Because when we start the flat roof, how we do the flat roof, we start that one on the eave to the end. We don't start the flat roof on the end to the eave, and then it's impossible to do the repair on the flat roofs. And then we're gonna redo everything to this one. I'm gonna send you guys the estimate so you can approve it. We have a leak on this one, that's why we have a tarp on that, everything. Okay, and then like as a contractor, my recommendation, like as a professional, my recommendation is a full roof replacement. Thank you.